ikaw ba ay isang USRN and you don't know what to do next? This is the right channel and video for you. For today's video mga KATHihik, I'm gonna share it with you my US guide. Disclaimer lang po, I'm not an expert under any agency. I'm just sharing to you all my experiences. I have 15 steps, like from taking NCLEX to flying to United States of America. Let's start on our first step. Our first step is pass the NCLEX. For me, the Board of Nursing that has the easiest requirements is the New York Board of Nursing. Hindi naman po magkakaproblema kung New York at saka yung magiging employer mo is other state kasi pwede mo i-endorse yung license mo to the other states. I passed NCLEX under New York Board of Nursing last April 2, 2022. Second step, register on CGFNS, purchase visa screen, and start review your IELTS. Yes, kailangan nyo po mag-purchase ng visa screen kasi isa ito sa mga requirements sa immigration para makapunta ka sa US. Kailangan siyang unahin kasi marami siyang process. Kailangan mo pa i-verify yung US license mo, yung Philippine license mo, kailangan mo pa ng IELTS, tsaka other things. If you want to do your visa screen DIY, I also have a video for that one. The link is at the top. I registered CGFNS on April 28, 2022. Let's go ahead on the third step. Third step will be look for an employer. It's either direct employer or staffing agency. In my case, I chose direct employer. Pag direct employee ka, mas malaki yung hourly rate. Kaso, ikaw gagawa lahat. Unlike sa staffing agency na may guidance talaga from the agency, pero yung hourly rate mo is medyo mababa. Direct hire ako, pero may agency sila, so walang kalta sa sahod yan. Mismo yung employer ko is yung hospital na nag-employ sa akin. What are you gonna consider if you're gonna look for employer? Ask them if they have current PWD. So what's a PWD? So PWD, it's
prevailing wage determination. Sets the minimum wage that the employer must be willing to pay the employee at the time that the employee becomes a legal permanent resident.
Wala pa silang PWD, kailangan mong maghintay ng 6 to 8 months para magiging current yung PWD nila. So that's one of the most important thing that you will ask from an employer kung may current PWD ba sila. Next step, our fourth step. It's gonna be sign the ETA 9089. So what is ETA 9089? It is the first stage of USCIS or the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. This form is distributed by the US government labor, so foreign workers can get a permanent permit to work. I signed my ETA 9089 on June 14, 2022 together with my COEs. The fifth stage will be the approval of the I-140. Diyan mo makikita yung party date mo. There are certain documents you need to submit for your I-140 and the list is right here. I submitted all my documents on June 8, 2022 and they filed it on June 22, 2022. My I-140 got approved on July 5, 2022. My priority date is June 22, 2022. By that time, sa I-140 stage, mag-download ka ng case tracker. Under the fifth stage, you're gonna complete your visa screen as well and take your IELTS and endorse license if ever yung employer na nag-hire sa'yo is from other state. Like in my case, I took New York Board of Nursing and NCLEX. I got hired here in Texas, so I endorsed my license from New York to Texas. For DIY license endorsement from New York to Texas, I also have a video for that one. It's at the top. Our sixth stage is receiving the welcome letter. After you received your welcome letter, you're gonna pay your fee bill. When you receive your welcome letter, it's gonna be like this. Then together nun, ma-receive mo din yung cover sheet ng civil documents mo. I received my welcome letter on September 9, 2022. I paid my fee bill. It was $345. After mo bayaran yung fee bill mo, pwede mo na ma-open yung DS-260 mo and you can fill out your DS-260. That's gonna be our seventh stage, fill out your DS-260. Our eighth stage is send your civil documents. I did both, filled out my DS-260 and sent my civil documents on September 14, 2022. The next stage will be wait to be documentarily qualified. After mo ma-DQ, yung next step is for you to be SIAC ready. Normally, it's gonna take like 2 to 3 months from DQ to SIAC ready, but for me, it was different. I was DQ'd on October 5, then status of my visa got SIAC ready on October 24, 2022. So less than a month lang siya. Bakit? Kasi nag-request ako ng expedite. I messaged my agency na gusto ko magpa-expedite since kompleto na ako sa documents ko. I requested on October 9, 2022 and my expedite request got approved on October 20, 2022. So nasiyak ready na ako on October 24, 2022 and that is our 10th stage. In this stage, if siyak ready ka na, pwede ka nang mag-schedule ng interview. At this stage, nag-schedule na din ako ng interview. This is the immigration interview, huh? So since I already had an interview appointment in the immigration, I proceed to our 11th stage, which is the medical. Meron din akong video sa medical sa St. Luke's. My medical was on November 8 to November 9, 2022. Then, the next stage will be our interview day. My interview day was on December 2, 2022. Tarap sa tenga, yung sinabing, your visa is approved. So after my visa was approved, I paid for my green card. The 13th stage, wait for visa. I received my visa on December 10, 2022. After you receive your visa, make sure you will do your PIDOS. Kasi hindi ka makakalabas sa Pilipinas without the PIDOS. Our 14th stage, buy your ticket to USA. Our last stage, fly to USA. I hope mga KATHihik na this guide will help you achieve your American dream. At sana magkita-kita tayo dito sa US. Thank you for watching my video and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. If you are a nurse and you want to do your process reaching your American dream all DIY, check my videos. Thank you mga KATHihik and see you soon!